Have you ever wondered what would happen if the very last star in the universe finally died? No sunlight, no starlight, no glowing galaxies in the sky, just endless darkness everywhere. It sounds impossible, but scientists believe this day could actually come. And when it does, the universe may become a place far stranger than anything we can imagine. Right now, the universe is filled with trillions of stars. Every night, they light up galaxies across space. But stars don't live forever. Just like humans, every star has a lifespan. Some survive for millions of years, while others can shine for billions. One day, every single star will eventually run out. The largest stars will die first. They explode in giant supernovas that can outshine entire galaxies. For a short moment, these dying stars become some of the brightest objects in the universe. But after the explosion ends, only darkness remains where that star once lived. As billions and trillions of years pass, fewer and fewer stars remain. The night sky slowly loses its light. Galaxies become darker. Entire regions of space fall into darkness. Future civilizations, if they still exist, may grow up in a universe with almost no visible stars at all. Eventually, only small red dwarf stars remain. These stars burn fuel extremely slowly. They can survive much longer than stars like our sun. For trillions of years, they continue shining while the rest of the universe grows darker around them. But even red dwarf stars cannot live forever. After unimaginable amounts of time, they too begin fading away. One by one, the last sources of light disappear. The universe slowly approaches a future where no new stars are born and almost no light rem. Then comes the moment scientists call the dark era. No shining stars, no bright galaxies. Almost every source of visible light is gone. The universe becomes a cold and silent place where darkness stretches farther than anyone could imagine. Black holes may become the most important objects left in the universe. These giant cosmic monsters continue existing long after stars disappear. They slowly swallow anything that comes too close, while the rest of the universe becomes quieter and darker. If humans somehow survive that long, the night sky would look completely different. There would be no familiar stars, no constellations, and no bright Milky Way above. Future humans might live under a sky darker than anything we can imagine today. And finally, after the last star dies, the universe enters one of its strangest chapters. Endless darkness, endless time, almost no light anywhere. It raises a terrifying question. If the universe loses its final star, what will be left to witness the darkness? After the stars disappear, black holes become the true rulers of the universe. These invisible giants continue drifting through space, swallowing anything that gets too close. In a universe filled with darkness, they may be among the last powerful objects still remaining. But even black holes don't last forever. According to scientists, they slowly lose energy through something called Hawking radiation. It happens so slowly that it could take unimaginable amounts of time. Yet one day, even the largest black holes may finally disappear. Imagine a universe with no stars, no planets, and no black holes. No galaxies lighting up the sky. Just tiny particles floating through endless darkness. The universe would become quieter and emptier than anything we can imagine today. Time itself would almost lose its meaning. Without civilizations, without clocks, and without anyone left to observe it, billions upon billions of years would pass in complete silence. The universe would simply continue existing in the dark. Could life survive in such a future? Some scientists think advanced civilizations might find new ways to generate energy. Others believe life would eventually disappear forever. The truth is, nobody really knows what would happen. This terrifying future is known as the heat death of the universe. It's a theory suggesting that one day all usable energy will run out. Everything becomes cold, still, and unable to support life as we know it. If humans somehow reached this distant future, they would witness a cosmos completely different from ours. No beautiful constellations, no glowing Milky Way. The universe that inspired generations would exist only in memory. It's strange to think that everything we know today, the Earth, the Sun, and every star in the sky, is only temporary. Even the greatest cosmic wonders have an ending. Nothing in the universe lasts forever. But this story also reminds us how special our moment in time truly is. Right now, we live in an age filled with stars, galaxies, and endless mysteries waiting to be explored. We are lucky enough to witness the universe while it's still shining. So here's the final question. When the last star finally dies and darkness takes over the universe, what do you think will remain? Will something new be born from the silence? Or will this truly be the end of everything? If you enjoyed this journey through the future of the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. What if the death of the last star isn't actually the end? Some scientists believe the universe could someday be reborn. After endless darkness and unimaginable amounts of time, a brand new universe might emerge from the ashes of the old one. Could another Big Bang be waiting in the distant future? But here's the crazy part. That new universe might not be anything like ours. Gravity could behave differently. Time itself could work in strange ways. Stars might never exist at all. The laws of physics we know today could mean absolutely nothing there. And what if our universe isn't the only one? Many scientists think there could be countless universes beyond our own, entire realities with different histories, different rules, and different possibilities. What we call everything may actually be just a tiny piece of something much bigger. Imagine this. Somewhere in another universe, there could be another version of you, a version that made different choices and lived a completely different life. It sounds like science fiction, but some theories suggest it might actually be possible. Or maybe none of that happens. Maybe after the last star dies, darkness truly wins. No galaxies, no life, no second chance. Just an endless, silent universe stretching forever with nobody left to witness its final. As terrifying as this future sounds, it also teaches us something important. Right now, we are living during one of the most beautiful eras in cosmic history. We can still see stars, explore space, and ask questions about the universe. Every sunset you watch and every star you see in the night sky is incredibly special. One day, those lights won't exist forever. The universe wasn't always bright, and it won't stay this way forever. We're lucky enough to witness it now. Maybe that's why humans never stop searching for answers. We build telescopes, send spacecraft into space, and dream about distant worlds because deep down, we all want to understand where we came from and where we're going. When you think about it, the story of the universe is also the story of us. Tiny humans living on a small planet, trying to understand an almost infinite cosmos. And perhaps that's what makes humanity truly extra. So, here's the final question. After the last star in the universe finally dies, what do you think happens next? Is it the beginning of something new or the end of everything? Tell us your theory in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey to the end of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible cosmic adventures.